Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's drawing tutorial, I'm going to be drawing a realistic eye with a teardrop. This is really quite an important piece for me. This is in tribute to my mother who passed away recently. She actually passed away on the 16th of March 2018. And I just thought that this would be a fitting tribute to her. She was my biggest fan, my biggest fan of all of my artwork. And I just thought that this would be a lovely piece for her. I've titled it A Tear for Mum, and it's one of my best pieces that I've done so far, I'm thankful to say, and I'm sure that she'd be really proud of it. As in all of my drawings that I've been doing recently, I use Caran D'ache pencils for this entire drawing. I'm actually using a Strathmore Bristol smooth paper, which is a fantastic paper to work with. If you want to try and get your drawings to look very realistic and some very smooth transitions between the values, then the Strathmore Bristol Smooth or the Strathmore Bristol Vellum are both excellent papers. I'm using 6 different pencils for this. I'm actually using a 4H, 2H, HB, 2B, 4B and 6B. These are slightly different hardnesses of pencil. The graphite in them is slightly harder. The lower down the spectrum you get, and more towards the B spectrum, you do start to get a slightly darker or blacker look to it. To try and create realism with this drawing, the most important thing that I've found to try and create is contrast. So making sure that you are absolutely reinforcing the darkest areas of your drawing. So in this case, it's the pupil and the area above the pupil, along with the eyelid, the crease in the eyelid. And then finally, what you'll see me laying down is some eyelashes. These are all done up to a 6B point. The other thing to remember is you have to leave the white areas very white. So you will see me intermittently going over the white areas and just erasing them over and over again. As you're drawing, the graphite will spread, and you do see me using a very soft brush to brush the graphite around. So you have to make sure that you are always reinforcing the dark areas, and you're always making sure that the whitest areas are staying white by erasing them. This drawing took me 4.5 hours. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm pretty sure my mum would be really happy with it, and it means an awful lot to me. Thank you so much guys for supporting my channel recently. If you've already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much. If you haven't, I hope you'd consider doing that. And don't forget to hook up with me on social media. The links to all of my social media are in the descriptions below, and it'd be great to contact with you on that one. Thank you so much for watching. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.